Hey lovies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do that makeup look on top. So I'm doing my eyebrows. When doing eyebrows, use brown eyebrow pencil and kindly follow the exact line of your brows. Use lighter falls, do not use much falls, especially when you are using black, but me, I'm using brown mostly. Then black I'll just lightly shade inside to make my brows look as natural as possible. I don't want them to look exaggerated, so I'm brushing using my eyebrow brush. So when brushing, avoid using too much force so that because it can smash. So when using a concealer, use a flat brush, a flat, not fluffy but flat brush, and you drag the concealer downwards so that it will not be difficult when you are blending. So you must drag your concealer from the brows as you are shaping and cleaning your brows. So I'm blending using my beauty blender. You can use a blending concealer brush for this, and I'm lining inside so that it can look as natural as possible. So I have gone to the other brows. So you must keep on lining until you are satisfied with the outcome. So as for me, I do not like big brows. I like the slimmer one, the one that is slimmer, the most sexy. So I'm lining as much as possible, making my brows slimmer, and I'm blending. So when blending, do not drag your beauty blender, just tap. So now I'm concealing the darker shades of my eyelids using my concealer from Crease. It's a white concealer. If you got a base for eyeshadow base, you can use eyeshadow base, but me, I prefer to use concealer, and that's what I have. I don't have a base. So I'm taking that color as a transitioning color. It's like orangish, though it's showing like brown, it's orangish. So you use a fluffy brush for this as a transitioning shade, and you use round circular motion. Do not hold your brush closer. Hold your brush from the outerwards, and you'll be using circular motion. Hold your brush from the ends and use circular motion. So now for the outer corners of my lids, I'm using the brown shade. I'm using the brown shade. As you can see, I'm blending it. It's a transitioning shade. So for transitioning, do not use shimmer, use the matte eyeshadows. So right now I'm concealing my lids, my inner lids, not outer. My inner lids, I'm putting concealer so that I can put shimmer there. So when you are doing this, as you are putting concealer, you can put a base if you don't have a concealer. So I'm tapping it in with my hands. As I told you, I don't have a concealer blending brush. And also for a nicer effect, I'm using my hands. So right now I went for the shimmery shade. So I'm putting the white. It looks like golden, light golden, but like creamish color. I'm using for my inner corners. You can use a highlighter for this. So secondly, I'm using this one. Is like pinkish, like maroon color. I'm putting it, but it looks brown on the video. So I'm putting it again. It's a shimmery shade. So I'm applying it. So as you can see, for your inner corner you don't have to use darker eyeshadow. You look for as lighter as possible. So as you can see, that's what I am doing right now. So I'm using black shadow again to blend the edges, to avoid that harsh line to show, So I'm putting the eyeliner there so that it can blend well when I put, if in case the eyelashes comes messy, it can blend in. So it's here you can line exactly the waterliner downwards. You can line exactly the waterliner. So I'm about to put my lashes. So I have I'm trimming them as they are big. You trim from the outer corner, do not trim from the inner corner. So the lashes, I'm sorry, they were a bit messy because I tried this glue. It's watery, but as it was coming out. So when putting the lashes, you have to start from the middle, then you put the corners. As you can see, I'm lining on the edge of my lashes. Then you wait for it for 3 seconds to be tacky. Then you start from the middle part, then you put the edges. As you can see, they were a bit messy. That's why when buying your glue, you have to buy the glue that is colorless, so that when you mess up, it won't show. So for foundation, I'm using my foundation from Clicks. Try to use less products. Do not use much products, guys, especially if you have a oily skin. Do not use much products, as I have seen that I used much of the foundation and I was like oily the whole day. So that's it. Here I'm using the concealer. Yo guys, I so much hate this concealer. I just bought it yesterday and I said, let me try this concealer, let me try another brands, like, as I'm new to some products. But I didn't like that concealer because it releases oil. So when blending, use a beauty blender and tap. I'm using the same blender I use for the foundation. You tap it in, blend it in. Do not drag your blender. So I'm using the powder. I have powdered. Then I'm putting bronzer. You put just below your cheekbones, just rightly below your cheekbones. Then I'm bronzing my nose. As you can see, I didn't bronze the middle part of my nose. I'm just bronzing it. As you bronze your nose, especially if your nose is not giving you the shape you want, if you bronze it, it will become pointy. Your nose will be pointy. So just blend in that bronzer. Do not mess it out, guys. You blend using circular motion upwards, not down, going up. So I'm putting again the powder. I'm putting the setting powder as to clean and to make it look more nicer. Yes, guys, yes. As you can see, I'm not good at explaining. You can see the way I am doing it. So I'm blending it and cleaning the bronzer with the powder. You clean it and you blend it in to avoid those harsh lines. I'm using the blusher now. You have to smile. If you smile, you will see those cheeks where you're supposed to put blusher, but do not put it round. You put it straight, going upwards, to look flattering. It's nice like that. The blusher, they always disappear. I don't know why. I don't know why the blushes, they always disappear. So let's continue, guys. I'm using the beauty blender. I'm pressing now, pressing whatever that I have put in my face. So here we are on my favorite part. I'm using my maroon maroon lipstick, my matte lipstick, Huda Beauty. So as I'm just putting on the outer of my lips. Then now I'm putting the black lip liner exactly on the edges of my lip. So as I just lightly rub my lips together to give it an ombre effect. So I'm putting my concealer. Yes, concealer, guys. It's nice that I have dumped my nude lipstick because of this concealer. See what's coming out, guys. I'm putting my concealer on the inner of my lips. Then I'll be rubbing my lips just lightly. Wow, see, guys, look and see. Come and see. I so much in love with this look. I'm not that kind that like too much colors. I like to look as natural as possible. So I'm highlighting using my eyeshadow, golden eyeshadow. I'm highlighting. See where I'm highlighting? On the bridge of my nose, under my brows, and on the cheekbones, on my cheekbones. I like highlighting. I like to glow. So now I'm rubbing the highlighter, blending it with a fluffy brush. That brush, I bought it from Clicks. It's original, very strong brush. I like Clicks products. They are so much original. They are worth it. They can be a bit expensive, but it's worth it. I'm using my lip gloss from Clicks again. Lip gloss from Clicks. I'm tapping it in because I don't want to mess up. I use the lip gloss. Make sure you use after your lips are dry, after your lip liner or your concealer is dry. Then you put your lip gloss. So that's the finishing look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe, and if you expect much content like this, bye. Love you.